room to save the day.
Welcome to Mighty House. This is a show for people with problems, home improvement problems that is, and for people who want common sense guidance on how to build green and live a more sustainable lifestyle. Send an email. The Mighty House crew is on the job. This is Mighty House.
All right, we're back with another fun tool from Klein, and this one is the Bluetooth job site earbuds. Boom. Look at that.
Nice.
He's got his Klein hard hat on. He's got some job site earbuds going on right there. Look at that. And then these are, if you look, I don't know if it comes through right there. They do have noise reduction and noise isolating hearing protection.
That's
and
nice.
They do a little bit. These other ones from Klein that I have here that they sent us a while back are actually certified ear protection. So if you go on their website, you can look for it. This one, particular one, is an AESEB2.
AES?
AESEB2.
Okay.
So it has Bluetooth connectivity, premium sound quality, 24 hours of runtime on the little batteries that are in there, captive touch controls so you can tap it, environmental noise canceling microphone, passive noise isolating, so 25 decibels, NRR, so you know what that is.
Yeah, that's your noise reduction rating, but 25 decibels is good. The Klein headphones that I have. So these here,
Yes.
these are 24.
Oh, really?
So those are actually a little bit better than the headphones.
Yeah, well, these have the foam that, so you like roll them in,
Closes the
stick
ear
them in.
canal. These, I don't know, these are actually super comfortable. I mean, the pad on them is so thick. They sound great and everything. But anyway, those actually retail for $99.99 on Amazon.
Oh, okay. They also hands-free calling, interchangeable earbuds, so you can change out the foam part, dustproof and waterproof, USB rechargeable case.
Waterproof? Like
Dustproof and waterproof is what it says.
no, but you can't go swimming with them, can you?
I don't know.
I mean, is it sweat waterproof, or is it like I'm going swimming with my earbuds waterproof?
Let's see if it says, no, it just changes languages. That's all it is.
All right.
So, that's
I don't know if I do this. We take long enough to describe simple things as it is.
It is an IP67, whatever that means.
All right, now you gave me something to look up.
There you go. And then they'll withstand a 3-meter drop, 9'8". And they come with a little carrying case. So, and that carrying case is probably going to be something very similar to this right here. Looks like a little Klein Tool toolbox. And they actually charge in the toolbox. So, and you can see it has a light that read out in it.
Right.
And then right there. So these are ready to go. It's actually, these are down one tick. So that's it right there. The Klein Tools Bluetooth job site earbuds AESEB2. Right there. Go check them out. How much were they?
$99.99.
There you go. All right. We're out.